they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Sister Oluwa.
Ali Baba.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. I just close.
Go. Sister Oluwa. Zomara. Sister Oluwa. Look, I am intentionally increasing the initiation fee. This is it, Tashin Mana.
You know they mean it. Wait till you come talk to me. 60,000. When Haruna come by, no fit pay the 50,000.
She will.
Ali, why you won't increase at all?
Aba, Joe, she can know. I want to make it Haruna no share. She become a patao. She can't anima. He's a pata. Look, me,
Ali.
Me, she's for me. I'll be to rock with you. I'll be to rock with you. I get the money. Look, as you coach me. Toma, look, Laila.
Ali.
This is she to
Ali.
Give the girl 10,000. Can you go?
I did try.
Get away. She over the wall. Toma. I go fit take am go now.
Ali.
She's over the wall. She's over the wall. I go fit to talk to him.
Oh, Ali. You for take am go na.
Wait.
The whole night.
Laila.
Alima.
Thank you, she's your follower.
Alima.
She's your follower.
Hurry up. Ali.
She's your follower.
Ali.
Thank you, Tom.
Hurry up.
Alima. To, Alima.
Very nice. So, who is this gentleman? Please.
He's Sonny, a very good friend.
Oh, a friend?
Yes,
What do you mean by a good friend?
Uncle, he's the one I intend to marry. He's
Oh.
a musician.
Oh, I see. My pleasure. How are you, young man? My name is Larry. I'm an attorney from the States. I hope you're taking good care of my needs, huh?
Yes, uncle.
Do you also do the new brand of music which is called Hip Life?
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
You listen to this kind of music?
Oh, yeah, sure. You know, actually, I was a radio presenter before I left for the States. And I used to host the popular program Hot Pot on the national radio.
Oh, really?
Now tell me, how easy is it for you to make it as a musician here in Ghana?
Uncle, it's not easy at all, but I'm determined to make it.
I like that. You know, I like your optimism. You see, you have to believe in yourself because nobody's going to do that for you. So I like it when I meet young men who are so optimistic, you know. So who is your producer?
At the moment, he has no producer, but
Uncle Johnson promised to talk to a producer for him.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
But do you have a demo?
Yes, I do.
I'm asking because I have a friend whose brother is a producer. His name is Roberto. You know, he's with Hit Digital Studio.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So how is your demo like?
Can I do it? Venice, unimi of way.
I see.
Uni wamin to me now, or dog rubber femano, unin zoni mi wiazi bibia. Oh, Venice, unimi of way.
Brilliant. Interesting. So, why don't you let me have the demo so that we'll listen to it and then we'll see what we can do.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. I promise, Uncle. First thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
First thing tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Oh, never mention. Excuse me. Yeah, hello? Yeah. This is Larry. Oh, George. George, so how did it go? Yes. Eh.
Good evening.
Haruna.
Where is she? I have brought the rest of the money.
What happened? Me the chair too much.
Abba Oforuwa, I have to put some things in order, manner. Where is she? I have brought the rest of the money.
Master, me I no go fit claim this your money. I talk you say you chair too much.
Oforuwa, why? Yeah. Oforuwa, yeah.
Alibaba can't pay the full money, and me I take a giver. I talk you say the first come first.
Oforuwa, you mean you facilitated Alibaba's money?
He come the time you left. He even paid 60,000. And they go home cry. Take! Haruna, take!
My uncle has remitted some money to me.
Wow.
But, yeah.
Money?
Yes.
So, how much?
He sent me $1,000 but the bank gave me its CD equivalent.
$1,000? So, sweetheart. How much are you giving me?
$500. But I've incurred some costs, and so your share comes down to 400 CD equivalent.
No problem.
You're okay.
No problem. Oh, thank you. No problem, okay?
Oh, Jimmy.
Jimmy. Anas, Jimmy. Jimmy? Charlie, what's the problem, man?
Achieva.
You don't look happy.
Achieva.
Man, talk, man. I'm listening. Talk, man. I'm
You
listening.
warned me.
What's wrong, man?
I should have listened to you. Auntie Dorothy. Her husband sacked me from the house. And he's warned me never to step in his house again.
I told you, Jimmy. I told you. You shouldn't have listened to Anas.
Jimmy, why? Jimmy, have you lost your job or something?
Ben, it's simple. Look, I'll see you guys later.
You're going to do so. Yeah. You're going to do. Okay.
Sonny, what is it? What's the problem?
Don't mind him. Can you imagine this? You're just trying to date a woman and her daughter at the same time.
What?
It's true. We advised him, but he didn't listen to us.
Jimmy.
Carry that.
Later.
Charlie.
Where you? I dey go your place, man.
Hey!
Place I welcome.
Charlie, yesterday you feel low.
Later now.
What happened?
The problem, the time where I reach Oforiwa the place, now they take Alima give Alibaba.
Oh, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie, I won't see something.
Your money, Dente.
Hey, I don't know that. Charlie, you know rich who? Where did the interest?
Where interest now make I pay? The thing I go do, I don't do. Why make I pay interest again?
Deal is a deal. Are you crazy? Charlie, you don't have interest now or you won't pay.
I no go pay cry. I no go pay anything. You think that you pass bad things so you go pay?
Hey, Abba! What is it?
You want cheat me?
Ila career, he dey lie.
Get Charlie.
Ila career.
Then I carry come on.
You owe me some money.
Some money.
Ila career, he dey lie.
Give him some money, man. Give him some money.
I no. Let's say ila career.
Oh, give him some money. Give him some money.
Ali.
Give him some money, man. You gotta initiate the wawa. Give him some money.
Good evening, Diti.
Oh, Nora. How are you doing?
I'm fine. By the way, where is Jimmy?
I'm trouble.
Trouble? What's that? Please tell him I will say when he returns.
I'm Nora. August 6th. Nora. I truly love Jimmy.
Yes, of course.
Me shouldn't tell you this. I mean, I love interfering in people's affairs. But me, I go tell you as a sex trade.
What is it?
You no better stop seeing Jimmy.
Why?
You're my pimp. I'm always running after women them. Me lately, I'm running after an old lady.
Jimmy?
But tell you no. You better find something better and do what you want to love than to waste my name. Me advice you know. Make I take responsibility on my part. And my brethren, but we can't just sight him, mess around with an innocent daughter like one. Alright?
You know, she, the girl where I take you go the other time, she be truly the virgin. Huh? Abba!
So, you want to please say you go in the same virgin?
Abba! I don't want
in the same virgin.
Seriously,
Abba, what's that you do? You take confidence like this or what? You give her like that.
Adams, I give him that show, no.
Hey, that's
Adams, man, show what can I do? Abba, show what can I do?
Abba, trust you. Abba, confident.
I chop one, I chop one, serious.
I know you, Abba. This one.
I'm at top. Adams, I want to take you as my serious girlfriend.
Abba, take her.
Go.
Take her, take her.
I'm at top. Serious?
Where's she doing? I won't see him.
Evan, she don't for who in there, man. Baba.
Baba.
Serious, wo.
Baba.
Yeah?
You definitely, Baba.
Come on, yeah.
Wallahi, Baba. Baba. Now you keep your eye on her, Baba. You keep your eye on her. You know, money is influence him. Money is influencer, Baba.
Baba, someone could you. I have a promise you for who some money.
No?
I have a promise you some money. Eh? You know something? I hear say Haruna chop lead wo. You go there. Where they ask him to make you pay 50,000, you know 50 pay.
You don't go big, you don't go be rich. I know.
You don't go be rich in the 50,000. Where you go that time, but this year they go claim low. Laila. I'm about the time you come. I fast you. I do fast.
Look at it.
Seriously? I'm a cash on one of
Baba, you be something.
Someone.
Haruna, the late camera.
Haruna. I be you. I thought you should not go fit to compete plus me. Abba.
I did not come here for this issue, fa. Ali, spare me this, fa. Allah will lie, spare me this, fa.
Dubawo. You must congratulate me, man. I have forbidden you to what? You must congratulate me.
Congratulate them. Come, congratulate them.
I have forbidden you to wait. I have forbidden you to wait. Look, Kaji, I hear say you could not even raise the 50,000. Is it true?
Ali, Duba, I'm already annoyed with you, fa. Allah, I'm already annoyed with you, fa. No, you people shouldn't annoy me anymore, fa.
Abba, look. Abba, show man. Look. Why? Abba, how can a common partner compete with a truck pusher? You cannot compete with a truck pusher. Abba, how much money do you make? How much money do you make? Me, I paid the 50,000. Now me have 50,000. Where are you?
When she come talk to her, yes, she's there. Yeah.
Okay, excuse me, Nana.
Please, Nana, could you spare me some few minutes? I need your help.
Is there any problem?
Nana, I want to pray with you to ask your friend why she does not want to pay me a visit.
Tina, you heard Nana clear. Do you have any special reason?
Nana doesn't want to understand me. He just doesn't want to understand. He wants to do it raw. I want to do it with condom.
Nana, this is where I disagree with her. Huh? Look at my status. As a man of my traditional area, and at my age, I will not enjoy it if I should wear condom. Huh, Tina?
Nana, is it that difficult to wear condom?
I have been doing it raw all these years. I don't know why she is insisting I should wear condom. Or do you guys think I have disease or what?
No, Nana, no, that's not it. But you see, these days one needs to protect him or herself because there's so many diseases around. And besides, I'm too young. I'm not ready to start having children.
Tina, please, just once, and I will not worry you again. Please, I beg. I beg you, please.
There's no need begging, Nana. What are you saying, Tina?
Well, on one condition.
Name it, and it's done.
That he buys me a new car, and then he sponsors my birthday party.
Nana, tell her it's done.
Bingo!
You're such
yes.
a darling.
You bring the budget and let me know the type of car you want.
Okay, I will.
Yes.
I will.
It could be anything.
That's great. Oh, let's drink to that.
Ali, what's happening? My friend, she talk, man. Talk. Baba, what's that? Baba, come out, what's up? Adams! Jack! Stop! Adams! No. Hey. You don't get me. Look, Pastor. Come on. You are a foolish man. You are a foolish man. I come to your way. I know these are no gas lines on the cup. You are a I know these are no gas lines on the cup. You are a foolish man. I know understand. I am a fool.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tidia wo ye bia nya botre. Okosa jifa wodi me panyin tre. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bibia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi kome kwakwadwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra my whoa so we ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so